PryvX. Founded in 2024, Sweden. Trust and security.
Hello! These are a few examples of how a typical fraud starts. With a phone call or SMS, just like this. So quick check, how many of you recognize or have gotten a similar fraud attempt? Raise your hand. Okay, quite a few. And this is not so surprising, because today, financial crime has become a societal problem. Where it's organized criminal networks, making $500 billion each year, which is then used to source all types of crime. And one big problem is that the telcos and the banks, they're not working closely enough to solve this, because they can't. The data is siloed and can't be shared between them because of data privacy, data security, and regulations. So the banks, they're analyzing the patterns on the victim side only, but they're missing that critical visibility on where the attack starts, which the telcos sit on. So today, nobody has that end-to-end overview, and that makes it really hard for anyone to catch these criminals in time. But we have solved this. A platform which bridges the gap between them, where telcos and banks can collaborate to combat fraud together on a data level, but without sacrificing any data privacy. And this approach is unique to the industry today. And one way we do this is by training and detecting patterns on local data. And then it's only the learnings which are shared to build a global model, which then is used to identify and stop the fraud. And let's forget about the fraud loss for a moment, because the fraud cost is actually 4 times that amount, a ridiculous number of $2 trillion. So by improving the fraud models with 10%, we can save the banks $200 billion. And this is on top of protecting them from potential massive brand damage. Starting this year, we're proud to say that we're performing a regional pilot in Sweden with 2 telecom players. And very exciting, just 2 weeks ago, we signed our first customer, no one less than Indonesia's largest telecom operator, Telkomsel, who have, thank you, have 160 million customers. And these large players believe in us, as we have the perfect combination of Gaspar, with over 20 years telecom domain expertise, Jayesh, an AI machine learning guru, together with me, a cybersecurity expert. With our solution, we can finally make great progress in stopping these criminal networks and protecting our society. We will be fundraising in Q1 next year, so scan that QR code, there it is. Reach out to us, my co-founders are here also, because we will be looking for the right people to join us in our journey to enable data collaboration for a world without cybercrime. Thank you.